So, hi, ma'am. Very good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon. How are you doing?
Yes, I'm fantastic. Thank you for asking. So, what about you? How is going your day?
Um, yeah, I'm also doing great. Everything is perfect.
Hmm.
And there is not any complaint from my side.
Yeah, it's a
So, how was
great
your
thing.
morning?
Yeah, my morning is was good because like I done some work, completed some work, so it was good. Now it is my lunchtime, so I prefer to connect with others in lunchtime.
Okay, so that's why you said, ki, okay, this time means 4:30 was not convenient for you,
Yes,
right?
yes. So we are meeting very first time. So can you introduce yourself? Yeah.
Yes, of course. My name is Teddy. Basically, I'm from Bhubaneswar, Odisha, and I hold a MBA degree. And right now, I'm a homemaker and running a tiny YouTube channel. And if I talk about my hobbies are listening to music, reading books, and watching conversational videos and podcasts. And these days, I'm very passionate about this language, so I work upon my communication skill as well. That's a little bit about me. So thank you so much for asking.
Wow, ma'am. Great. Your nice introduction from your side. So, shall I introduce myself?
Yes, of course, because I don't know anything from you,
Yes,
from
yes.
you.
Okay. So, as you know, my name is Soni Bist. I originally from Uttarakhand, but currently live in Delhi with my family. And if I talk about my education, so I have completed my Bachelor of Art from Delhi University. And now I'm working in a private sector. And as well as if I talk about my hobbies, so I nowadays I'm becoming like a bibliophile person. I love to reading books and apart from this I love to gardening also, and as well as I like to listening music, and apart from this I love to many things, but nowadays I'm into these things which is I mostly like. And exercise, I also like doing exercise every day. That's it.
Wow, lovely introduction. Yes, I have also a green thumb because I love to gardening.
Oh, that's great. I seen many women are, like to green thumbs or planting, gardening, many things. Yeah.
Yes, means it is not cultivated right now. Means it is my child. Means I am doing it since my childhood. This thing.
Oh my God. So how many
Yes,
like
when I
plants do
was,
you have?
I have indoor plants. I have, I think, more than 50. Outdoor
Okay.
plant, like there are lots of plants on my terrace. So
Mm-hmm.
there is, I think, more than 80.
Yeah, same. I do have the same, like 80 or 100
Yes,
plants I
80 or
have.
100.
This mix up, but taking care of indoor plant is very difficult as compare outdoor, right?
Yes.
So what type of
Sometimes what
maintenance
happens?
you do every day?
Every day I'm not doing means every day I'm not maintaining my plants because
Mm-hmm.
I have low maintenance plant because once in a week I means I am watering. I'm doing
Mm-hmm.
watering and
Hmm.
whatever medicine required once in a 15 days I put.
Okay.
Yes, in they are also dying. So yes, it
Mm-hmm.
is happening with me. But outdoor plant no need to do anything because sometimes
Yes,
rains
yes.
are also happening. So they are also getting
Hmm.
rain, sunlight, everything they are getting. So no need to worry about outside plants.
Right. Because I also feel like that because outdoor plants we can, take care of once in a while. But indoor plant, it is
Yes,
difficult for me, like, taking care of indoor plant because if I share
absolutely.
like palm plant, it is very,
Yes,
very difficult to maintain palm plant,
absolutely.
you can, yes, take care of palm plant in indoor.
I have planted more than 10 times new plants, new
Okay.
palm plant. But
Yes.
I don't know, due to lack of maintenance, so it always died. So
Mm.
nowadays I'm not planting that plant, but it
Yes.
looks good. It gives
Hmm.
positive vibe. It
That
looks good,
that
but it is very
yes.
difficult to take care. Yes.
Yes, that's why I'm asking to, how you maintain as, indoor plants, because I also like same, I many time planted like a plant, palm plant, but every time it's died. Like nowadays I, put in my roof, then now is palm plant is okay growing or, Yeah,
Yes.
means if we give more than they need, then definitely they will die. But if we
Yes.
maintain some plants are no need to more than water, but some plants
Yes.
need to more water. So according to we
Mm-hmm.
have to little bit knowledge about the plants, which plant how
Yes.
much they need water. Then only we can take care of in good way. So you always
Mm-hmm.
purchase plant for nursery or outside, or you
Yeah.
like you have the knowledge of propagate, how to propagate like one plant to another plant.
Yes, I have little bit like hibiscus and
Hmm.
rose.
Hmm.
Yes, that I can do, but and small sorry,
Snakes
snake
plants
plants.
also.
It is
Yes, snakes plant
snake
also we
plants.
can. Spider plant
We
also we
can.
can
Uh,
propagate. Hmm.
yes, and these kind of plants I can, but more the I don't have any idea means about other plants. Yes,
Okay.
please.
So, ma'am, when like, what is your next like future goals? You want to become something like a teacher, or you will be like searching job after later?
No,
What
no.
is your goal?
Actually, as a yeah, my I was working HR as a HR executive, but due to lots of responsibility, I just quit my job. Right now, I don't have any plan to join anywhere. Uh, if I talk about teaching line, yes, of course, I am also taking tuitions, home
Hmm.
tuitions only,
Hmm.
and it is not related in English. All subjects like 1 to 5th class, I am taking tuitions, and I in future goal I want to
Hmm.
be a pro in this language. How I am talking in my mother tongue, Odia, so I want to talk in this in this
Hmm.
language in this way. So that is my dream, and in future I want to help people who really struggle for this language.
Wow, ma'am. Actually, it's a coincidence. You are also like HR from HR department. I also HR from HR department.
Oh,
I'm working in
oh,
HR department.
oh,
Oh,
great. So
that's great.
oh,
Hmm.
I
So
have
how
done
many
HR
years you have like? No, no, no. Actually, I
I
have.
have done my MA in HRM, human resource
Okay.
management.
Mm-hmm. So I
Yes.
have just Bachelor of Art degree, but still I have like 8 year experience in HR department. So I'm
Okay,
doing, and
that's
I'm
great.
thinking to pursue my HR, like MBA in HR. But
Mhm.
let's see.
Yes.
Hmm.
Yes, yes. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, it is very, you can say sometime very hectic job. But people are not
Absolutely. Yeah.
understanding. People are thinking, no, HR has no work, and all the time they sit or they, gossip, something like that.
No,
But
no,
it's
not
not
like that.
happening.
Yes, HR job is like kind of relaxed job, I can say.
Hmm.
Relaxed job mentally means whatever work is you are going to do, it is only mental work, and there is not one person who is going to handle each and everything, because we had
Hmm.
everyone had a team, so
Hmm.
we need to discuss with our team members, right?
Right.
With them,
Hmm.
we are not
Right.
taking burden each and everything alone, right?
Right. Right.
Yes, that are the things.
Hmm.
Okay, ma'am, I have some few questions. So can I ask?
Yeah, yeah, sure, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, you can ask.
So what habit had the biggest positive impact on your life?
I think I have one habit, which is I always ready to learn something new, or I want to explore everything. No matter I
Wow, great.
have like knowledge or particular things or not, but I was always ready to do. Yes, try. I can try this thing.
Yes,
So this habit, encouraged me to learn so many things in my life. I I learned so many things, not only English language, not only speaking, how to speak in front of other,
yes.
but many things I learned with this habit.
Yeah, yeah, that's great. You know, who have this kind of habit, they can
Hmm.
achieve several things, not any one things,
Yes.
because they
Hmm.
have interest to learn new things. It could be English language, it could be cooking, it could be anything. So they can,
Right.
even though they are not master in in these things, but they have
Hmm.
own interest to
Yes.
learn.
Yes. Hmm.
Yes, this is very rare people who have this kind of mindset.
Right. Hmm.
Am I audible to you?
Yes, yes, you are audible right now.
Yes. Okay. Okay. So what my next question is, what does success mean to you?
According to me, like many people think if they have got like get a good house or luxury lifestyle or luxury car, it or maybe they get a good job, it means they have like means like they are successful. Earlier I was also like thinking the same, if I get so many things, material things, then I will
Yes.
be like a successful person. But now I get to know, for me now it is not like successful life. For me, like now I want to always ready to learn something. I'm the if I'm living my life in satisfied with the satisfied things, or I happy with my kids or my family, it means I'm successful person. Yeah.
Absolutely true.
Hmm.
I am 100% agree with you, because success doesn't come by any materialistic things, right?
Hmm. Right.
If you are not getting handsome salary, if you are not also
Hmm.
working in a very reputed company, that doesn't matter. If you are
Hmm.
happy with your work and everyone likes you, you are very polite with your parents, with your colleagues, and everyone likes you, and everyone is happy for you, so that is called success.
Yes,
I also feel
definitely.
same.
Hmm. But in
Yes, I
childhood
also
time
feel same.
or when we young or when we start our journey, means career. So at that time, everybody I think thinking in same way. If we have lots of things,
Yes, true,
material things,
true.
then we. Hmm. So it means
You know
not
why?
now I
Because
get
that
to know.
time,
Hmm.
yes, because that time our mind was not that much matured.
Right.
Means we were thinking, if we are going to get a good job and if we are going to get a handsome salary, then that is called success. But
Hmm.
with our experience, so we came to know it is not success. It is, we can say,
Hmm.
kind of headache,
Head.
right? If you are also going to
Yes.
get
Yes.
the
Yes.
work pressure, so
Hmm.
it is, you
Right.
are mentally not happy. You are not happy,
Right.
right?
You're just thinking
So
to,
definitely,
I will, if I get the handsome salary, definitely I will, a successful person, become
no.
a successful person. But indirectly, you feel like so many headache, you all the time anxiety, you feel
Yes,
depression, anxiety, or even though you have not mood to talk with your loved ones, your kids, your family, right?
absolutely,
Hmm.
absolutely. Yes. So,
Hmm.
do you believe luck or hard work is more, which is more important, and why?
Hmm. Yeah, definitely hard work is very important, and I don't. I'm not like I'm not believe on luck. Sometimes it's happened with many people, but I don't believe because not it's not happened with me. I always whatever I get with the hard work. So I
Okay,
believe that hard work. Definitely everybody should put their hard work.
absolutely. But
Hmm.
I am a kind of spiritual person, so I always trust on luck and as well as hard work. If you are not
Okay.
going to do hard work, so
Mm-hmm.
definitely your dream is not going to fulfill, right? So
Mm-hmm.
whatever written in our destiny, that definitely that is going to happen in future. But
Mm-hmm.
you should put your heart and soul for that work, then after
Hmm.
that you can get success. Otherwise it is not possible. So I believe both, like on hard work and luck also, both I believe. And one personal question I'm just going to ask you. So,
Mm-hmm.
what one misconception people often have about you? It is very common question, as you know. Everyone have misconception, like he is very ego. He have very she has very ego, and she is like this kind of, that kind of. So, do you think?
Hmm. Actually, I don't know about this question. Because I'm not like that person, that kind of person who has like ego or something. I always like try to understand people, or I always like I feel that I'm the person very you can say kind person. If somebody is like
Yes,
talk with me in polite way, I'm not like think to uh, in wrong way. So I don't know what people think about me, but I'm not focusing people. Maybe definitely people think, definitely if I'm doing, good way, or I'm doing anything, the people have like thinking in, negative way, or, according their perspective. But I'm not focusing what the people think about me. I'm just doing, or I'm enjoying myself.
That's great thing. That's great thing.
Hmm.
People are going, if you are going to do good work, definitely people are also going to give you negative
Hmm. Hmm.
comment.
Hmm.
If you are also going to do any kind of like bad work, people are also going
Hmm.
to give you negative comment. So no need to
Yes.
worry about that. Why this
Yes.
question I have asked you? Because I got this kind of comment, because I am kind of
Okay.
introvert. Like right now,
Okay.
I'm little bit ambivert. But yes, my nature is from my childhood. I always try to help others. I'm kind of soft-spoken
Hmm.
person. So
Yes.
I'm not telling you I'm helping others 100%. No, whatever I can, then I always try to help others. Right? Who is really
Hmm.
required? Who is
Right.
already needed? But in this, why I shared with you, because I don't like, means I'm kind of introvert. Now I became little bit ambivert. So for that reason, I don't talk to others, because I know that I don't know about their politics or whatever. I don't have any
Hmm.
idea.
Hmm. Hmm.
So I always try to busy with my work. So that's why I'm not talking to others more.
Hmm.
I gave a smile, and then I just left from that place, right? So people think that okay, she have lots of ego. That's why she doesn't want to talk to anyone,
Okay.
right? Like when
Okay.
you feel like you can feel whenever women are talking, right, and
Hmm.
their talk is kind of backbitching, but I don't have any interest on that topic.
In back
So what
busy.
should I do there?
Hmm.
Yeah, what should I do there? So for that reason, I always try to avoid. So yeah,
Yeah,
sometimes I
it's a very
also,
good quality, ma'am, because very few women are like that kind of, you know, habit. So it's a good habit. Yeah, I appreciate
yes,
yourself
yes,
too if you have not like that, kind of things.
because we all are busy
Hmm.
with our work.
Hmm.
Even though you are
Yes.
also working lady, and
Hmm.
you have also some household chores, right? So you
Hmm.
don't have time to think about others, because you have
Hmm.
already occupied with your work. So
Yes.
if people are going to expect from you, okay, you should give us 1 hour, but it is quite difficult. You can do.
Hmm.
If that 1 hour we are going to give our parents or our kids, so they are also, they will feel happy.
Hmm. Right.
Yes. So yeah,
Okay.
that is, yeah, that thing I just wanted to know from you. And okay, one last question I
I
have.
think, ma'am, our time is. If you
Oh,
want to
okay.
like ask some question, then we will connect in next day, or you record
Yeah,
this session.
absolutely.
Then we
Okay,
can
okay,
connect because
absolutely.
time is, I think, out.
Okay, okay, no
Running out.
problem. So, ma'am, thank you so much for joining, and it was really an insightful conversation with you. I enjoyed a lot, I can say. I
Yes,
didn't
I
find
also. Hmm.
how time flies. Yes,
Yes, I also like said to you like thank you so much because you give me your precious time, and in morning you just like means in within I think half an hour or 1 hour you give me reply. So it is my pleasure to
yes,
connect with you. So thank you so
yeah.
much, ma'am. We will
So
connect
actually, why
again.
I said definitely, I why, because I had a session 2:30. Then I
Mm-hmm.
just confirmed ki, okay, he
Okay.
is also YouTuber. So he said, okay, we
Mhm.
can join 4 o'clock. Then I said, okay, no problem.
Okay, okay, that's great. So it was
Yeah.
definitely like it was very grateful conversation with me, with you. So thank you so much again, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am, and have a nice day. We will connect very soon again, once again.
Yes, yes, yes. Ma'am. Thank you.